run it down. Well, that was a nice stop on the riverbank. Head back down the river. Tide's with us, it's running out, so it's not a fast tide, but I guess every little bit helps. Wet fingers. Hard to even pack it. The old railway, it's amazing. I mean, they really built it to last, didn't they? Bridge is gone, the tracks are gone, but the pylons are still here. Just love the architecture where you can see all the rivets and the bolts. Really cool. Wonder how far they go down. Super, super cool, aren't they? Compared to the new bridge, which is, you know, it's all right. But it's really, you can tell it's just been built for function. Great wildlife out here on the river. You hear that? Sounds like a lawnmower or a whippersnipper. It's actually remote control planes. There's an aero club just through on the other side of those bushes. Well, it continues to be a fantastic morning on Cockle Creek. Tide's just slowly moving. You can probably see it behind me there. We're just slowly drifting with the tide. Been really cool, some great wildlife. There's a few fish around, although I'm not sure I'd be eating fish out of this creek. It's not the cleanest creek I've been on to date. Breeze is coming up a little bit, which is nice because it was getting a bit steamy at one point. And you would have seen you know, the rowers from the local rowing club and that, they're just scooting along, which is pretty cool. So anyway, we'll keep exploring. There is another outlet up here that I was thinking if I've got time, I might carve off and have a look at that. So we'll see how we go. Check out this fella fishing. Directly ahead is Marmon Point, a little marina and a sailing club over here. And then straight across is Warners Bay, Elibana, further around Valentine. But we're just going to wrap back around here into Cockle Creek. Must have been something built here a long time ago. There's big cement platforms under the water, a few columns there. But again, got this beautiful wildlife here. You can see how shallow it is here. I remember running aground here once, sailing. It's shallow for a long way out, I tell you. I don't think we'd get through there, it's quite shallow. There you go, see that? Look at that. Another one there. There are so many flipping car tyres here. I wonder if they were used to anchor little boats maybe. Seems a weird thing just to dump car tyres. Lake. Alright, that's shallow. See how busy the boat ramp is, eh? Well, another great day on the water. That was a fantastic paddle. Lots of wildlife. Saw some great fish. Awesome birds. Checked out some new places, so that was pretty cool. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this adventure and look forward to sharing heaps more with you. So have a great weekend.
It finally came to me, walking in a dream. Saw it all too clear.